How to make only following and follower can see my super follow list on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only follower and following can see my super follow list on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and click settings and then click privacy, and here you will find who can see my super follow list, and then click following and follower. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.